Hi everyone, my name is Jon Deluce. I'm the CEO of Abitibi Metals. Very excited to take you through this morning's press release. So this morning we announced details of our larger restart of our Phase 3 drill program. That is 17,500 meters at our B26 polymetallic deposit. We started Phase 3 earlier in the year. We completed about 2,500 meters prior to breakup. Those results are pending and will be out in the short term. But we're really excited with this morning's development. This is the first large-scale expansional program since optioning B26, and really we see a lot of upside within the resource. We've been working hard behind the scenes with additional modeling, targeting to get ready for this larger program. This is the first program with our full-time operational Abitibi Metals team, and we're really looking forward to also increasing our news flow as a result. So as I mentioned, first large-scale program drilling what is a very large extensional footprint. This is a 1.6 kilometer strike length of the current deposit. We are testing along the boundary of that entire deposit, and I'll show you in our graphic below. But one of the main things is B26 is already a large deposit at a combined 18.5 million tons at 2.18% copper equivalent. That's combined indicated and inferred. And I would invite you to look at our updated deck, which helps show the context of B26 in the marketplace. We're already in the top 10% in terms of tonnage size of a felsic-hosted VMS deposit. So very excited to start drilling again. This project has the potential of delivering a very high impact hole. Part of what we've outlined in the release today is we've seen the majority of the deposit is hosted within the copper gold stringer zone. We also have the parallel massive sulfide zinc silver, which you can see within this blue color on the long section. But really we haven't yet seen a massive, extremely high grade copper zone in the deposit. Our technical team believes that with the size and scale and strength of this system, the likelihood of there being a massive copper zone is there, and that's why we're very excited to start drilling this at depth. And so we have the holes in black are the primary holes. We will have a directional crew on site for the entirety of the program. That will, one, increase the accuracy of our drilling, but also to get as much out of our capital as possible. The net impact of the directional drilling, being able to re-enter holes, to do branches, to be able to do multiple intercepts out of a pilot hole, we're going to save at least 6,000 meters of drilling. So again, looking at how we can develop this cost efficiently. But one of the highest grade zones of the deposit is on the east side. We're going to be stepping out on that. We did identify the gravity anomaly earlier this year. There were some very high grade, narrow, massive intercepts on the boundary of that anomaly. Could this be the source of that higher grade massive copper zone? That time will tell, but we're excited to test that. And again, in phase 2, we expanded the deposit up to 150 meters deeper with 2.4% copper equivalent over 17.5 meters in a lower grade 0.83 over 80 meters. Just like the first 300 meters vertical, could we be sitting next to the next high grade 50 to 60 meters? We see the potential for that, but all combining for a very high impact program, restarting continuous news flow, and we're in a great position. $18 million in cash, 38 million market cap. We think we're in an excellent value proposition at the moment for new followers to look at our story, for existing followers, and we appreciate all of our supporting shareholders that has been patient as we designed this program and really got ready to ramp up. So we're very excited. We're looking forward to keeping you updated. More news flow to come over the coming weeks, and we'll get into a very active period over the summer and fall. Thank you.